Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. I'm here today with an unboxing of the All the Best December 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And we have a pebbled path Stampin' Spot. And our stamp set has "Hello friend, wishing you all the best, 1,000 good luck wishes," and a bunch of dandelions, including the fluff, my favorite part. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. So we have tear and tape, some lovely blue dots, and more adhesive, like dimensionals it looks like. Oh, look at these envelopes. Love the dandelions and the sky with the fluff in it. And they're all the same. And card bases. So we have 3 of this pattern, and there's even gold foil on there. Beautiful card base. Some gold frames. And more dandelion fluff. That would make a great DSP. And more die cuts of, we have circles and some banners with the gold foil. And this card base, I love this kit. Oh my goodness. We have also an acrylic box to put cards in. And look at these foiled pieces. Absolutely gorgeous. And more. Here's the belly band that goes around the box. And some more dandelion die cuts. I love, 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 love this kit. Okay, and here are the instructions with the suggested cards, which are gorgeous. And a few alternative projects. And I'll be coming up with my own alternatives. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!